Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best air fryers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 7 best air fryer are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Cuisinart TOA 60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven, the best air fryer mini oven. While most choices on this list are basket fryers, this offering from Cuisinart raises the bar with its mini oven or oven toaster design. The Cuisinart TOA 60 Air Fryer Mini Oven is a little more expensive than the others, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck as it offers every cooking function you could need. It doesn't just air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. It also convection bakes, convection broils, bakes, and toasts. And we found it to be a powerful air fryer whose 7 functions performed well during testing. Just bear in mind that, as in our experience, it takes a bit of tweaking and guesswork to get cooking times and temperatures right. Finally, while the air frying function doesn't make full use of its generous capacity, its spacious interior does grant more real estate to spread out your food while cooking. Plus, as it's several cooking appliances in one, you're also saving counter space. At number 2, Ultenic K10, best entry-level air fryer. If you're yet to ever own an air fryer, a little nervous to try out new appliances or are conscious about spending money, the Ultenic K10 is a good one to consider. During our review, we couldn't fault the food we cooked in it. With features such as keep warm, automatic preheat, as well as a reminder to shake foods, there's certainly nothing lacking from the control panel. Even with the wallet-friendly price tag, it isn't able to perform any other feature other than air fry, but the app and 11 presets will make it a really easy to use and nice addition to the kitchen countertop. A particular feature we loved is that there's a little beep halfway through select cooking modes to remind you to shake the foods. You won't be able to cook 2 food types at the same time, though, and the controls are on the top, so placing it on a high counter may not be the best position for it. At number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase. The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out the crispiest fries and chicken wings of any air fryers we tested. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist, while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavor. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase builds on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and a light that lets you keep an eye on food while it's cooking, and has a built-in filter to reduce smells too. However, it doesn't come with any cooking charts, which means you will need to spend time experimenting to achieve the right cooking duration and temperature, particularly when it comes to frozen food. We also found the crisper plate falls out if the basket is tipped up too much when removing food, and the display suffers from fingerprint marks. However, these are minor gripes on what is in our eyes the best air fryer on the market right now. At number 4. Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket Air Fryer, the air fryer that lets you keep an eye on food. Want to keep an eye on your food while it's cooking, but without opening the basket and letting out all the hot air? This instant's latest air fryer is worth considering. Not only can the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Air Fryer, which is known in the UK as the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Drawer Air Fryer, have 2 baskets so you can cook 2 foods at the same time, but it also comes with a plastic window on the front of each basket. The windows, along with a light in the cooking chamber, mean you can easily watch your food as it browns. In our review, we were impressed with the results from the air fryer. It turned out crisp, crunchy, and evenly browned fries and chicken wings every time. However, it is one of the most expensive models on the market right now, and with no cooking charts, you will need to experiment to ensure foods are cooked exactly to your liking. It has a larger overall capacity than other instant air fryers. However, it's worth remembering this is split across 2 frying baskets, so each basket holds a slightly smaller amount of food, meaning it won't be suitable for larger homes. At number 5. Cosori Pro Air Fryer L501, the best budget air fryer. If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the Cosori Pro Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any of the air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produced crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times. And it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake. It also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. At number 6, Ninja Air Fryer Max 160, the best air fryer for frozen foods. With a dedicated frozen food setting called Max Crisp and plenty of cooking charts offering guidance on duration, this is the best air fryer on the market right now for cooking frozen foods. The Ninja Air Fryer Max, which is known as the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL in the US, also turned our crisp, evenly browned homemade fries and chicken wings, and was quiet during use too. In our review, we found the compact, circular-shaped air fryer does lack a reminder to shake function, a feature that many other air fryers offer and helps ensure the hot air reaches every inch of the food. It also doesn't have an automatic preheat function, and the reheat mode can't replace a microwave. However, for those that primarily cook frozen foods, this is the ideal air fryer. It's also available in a smaller version, which has a 4-quart/3.8-liter capacity and is called the Ninja Air Fryer. At number 7, Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer A400, the best premium air fryer. This air fryer has 2 separate compartments, so you can cook 2 different dishes so they're ready to serve at the same time. In our review, we were impressed at just how quickly the air fryer crisped and evenly browned our fries. The 2 cooking drawers, which have crisper plates inside, have an overall capacity of 10 quarts/9.5 liter and are deep enough to hold a 3 pounds/1.4 kilograms batch of fries or 4.4 pounds/2 kilograms chicken each. Ninja also offers a smaller capacity version, which holds up to 8 quarts/7.6 liters and is known as the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer A300. This handy kitchen gadget can roast, dehydrate, bake, and even reheat, as well as air fry, although, like most air fryers, the reheat function can't replace a microwave. We were impressed that different cooking methods can be employed in each compartment at the same time, and the sync feature ensures both compartments finish cooking at the same time, so you'll never be waiting around for one part of your meal to finish cooking. It is one of the bulkier air fryers we've tested, and it does take up a significant chunk of space on a worktop. However, it looks pretty stylish, combining a glossy black finish with silver accents. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.